Hey, it's Matt with My Florida Homebuyers, and today I'm standing outside of a house that we just purchased right here in Astatula, Florida. Let's take a look. So like I said, this house is located in Astatula, Florida. It's in Lake County, just outside of Orlando. And the cool thing about this house is it's actually on the water. It has canal access that goes out to Little Lake Harris and the Harris chain of lakes. So I'll show you that in just a second, but first, this is the kind of the front of the house. It's a manufactured home, a mobile home, like a double wide, and it sits long ways on the lot. So this is like one of the ends of it out here at the street. And then there's also this big carport here. So one of the major issues with this house is the roof is leaking, and it's leaking down inside the house, actually into one of the bathroom walls, which I'll show you. So we're definitely going to get that fixed, and then there's some other issues I'll show you when we get inside. But basically this was an inherited house. So someone inherited this house, and then we sold it from them, and we're going to take care of making all the repairs so that they don't have to, basically. So let me take you inside the house and I'll show you what's going on inside. All right, so I'm walking inside the house now. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, and there's another room that's kind of like a den. It's a bedroom without a closet, basically. So it could be a 3-bedroom if it was if a closet was added. So I'm walking inside. This is the kitchen area here. And it looks okay at first glance, but once you get up close, you'll realize that a lot of these cabinets are that mobile home, kind of like builder grade cabinets. All the laminate is peeling. There's a lot of water damage from leaks and stuff like that. So they're not as nice as they seem. So we're probably going to end up ripping this whole kitchen out and replacing it. Another issue with this kitchen is, or with the whole house rather, it has tile on the floor throughout the house. And when you put tile in a mobile home, there's always issues. And you can see here in the kitchen where the flooring has actually buckled. The tiles came loose and separated from the subfloor, and that always happens when you put tile over a wood subfloor, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I see it all the time, and it's one of the reasons I'm not a fan of putting tile over anything except for a concrete slab. So that's kind of the result of that. So we'll have to fix that. I don't know if we're gonna re-tile or re-floor the whole house and remove all this tile, or if we can just do it in the kitchen, but something will have to be done with that. So I'm over in the living room area. It's kind of like a big, great room, living room, combination room here. And you can see there's still a lot of furniture, and it's all in pretty good shape. So this furniture, we're gonna have to find somewhere to donate it, or do something with it, because it's not, there's a leather sofa and stuff like that. It's not really in the condition that we can just throw into a dumpster. We wouldn't feel right about that. So we'll find something to do with it. So that's the living room, kitchen area back there. I'm gonna walk back towards the back of the house here. This is actually the den, office, bedroom without a closet, whatever you want to call it here. And you can see there's a few things they left behind that we'll have to clear out, but other than that, it's just a pretty typical bedroom. So I'm gonna walk back here. Next, we've got the laundry room. Pretty standard laundry room. They left the washer and dryer, which we'll probably get rid of. Next, we have a bathroom here, which is in pretty good shape. But if we're doing cabinets in the kitchen, we'll probably replace the vanity in there as well. And then this is one of the actual bedrooms here. You can see they left a TV and a bed and a dresser and some other things. So we still got a little bit of cleaning out to do over here. And then this, on the very back of the house, this is the master suite, and it spans the entire width of the mobile home. It's a double wide mobile home. So it's pretty big in here. You've got 2 big closets on the end there, and or 1 big closet with 2 doors. And 2 windows, plenty of room in the master suite here. Now, this is the master bathroom over here to the side. And this is what I was talking about earlier with the roof leak that's kind of gotten inside. It's actually come in right here on this wall. So evidently the roof is leaking up here somewhere, and the water is traveling down through here, and you can see all the holes and stuff that the seller punched in the wall to try to figure out where the water was coming in and all of that, but he wasn't able to fix it ultimately. The roof still leaks, so we're in the process of getting a roof put on, or getting a roof quote at least. And then you can see over there, there's one of those big jetted tubs that they always put in mobile homes that no one will ever use. And then this over here is the shower, and this is the wall with the leak in it. So I don't know, we looked inside the wall briefly. We didn't see any water dripping off of the plumbing. It looked like it was coming from the roof, but there's a good chance this shower may need to be ripped out and redone as well. Just from looking at it, it doesn't look like it was done quite right. And you know, if something's not done correctly, we normally will go out of our way to fix it, because we don't want to, you know, sell a house to somebody that later on down the road they have problems with. So let me take you out back and I'll show you the water. All right, so I just walked out back here. It's got like a nice little deck on the back, screened in deck. And you can see down here, we've got a boathouse with a boat lift, which is pretty cool. And this deep water canal that goes right out to Little Lake Harris. So, and this house actually is kind of on the corner. So you've got canal frontage on both sides, which is pretty cool. So this will be a nice little place for somebody once it's fixed up and renovated. It's got a few little issues, but we'll take care of them and get this thing back to 100% and make this a nice house for somebody to live in. So like I said, this is an inherited house, a probate house. So what ended up happening was the person who lived here passed away. The son actually came down to take care of things and, you know, kind of realized that the roof was leaking. We've got the issues with the bathroom. You know, there's a tile in the kitchen that's buckling up, and he realized it had some issues that needed to be fixed before he could sell it. So he was from South Carolina. He had come down here to, you know, kind of take care of his father's estate, and didn't really want to fool with all the hassles and expense of putting the house back together, you know, making the repairs, getting things back to 100% in order to sell it. So he decided to call us. He might have submitted his information on the website. Either way, he got in contact with us. We came out, met with him, took a look at the house, you know, made him a cash offer on it, and we closed about 2 weeks later. So he's good to go. He's got his cash. He's back up in South Carolina, and he doesn't have to worry about the house anymore. And now we're here. We've got a renovation project on our hands, and you know, it was a win-win for everyone involved. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, you know, a cash offer on your house, maybe you inherited the house, maybe you just own it and you don't want to deal with the hassles of a real estate agent, give us a call or go on our website, myfloridahomebuyers.com. You know, just submit your property information. We'll get in contact with you and we'll get the ball rolling for you. So again, my name is Matt. I'm with My Florida Homebuyers. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next video.